Hey guys, today we're gonna make Romesco sauce. It's a sauce from Spain. It's great with burnt leeks or chicken. It's very versatile sauce and it's much more simpler to make than you might imagine. So it's a sauce that's very versatile with fish, chicken, but then one very famous dish that you have your Romesco sauce with is calçotada from Spain, and that is a burnt leeks or scallions. You know, if it's burnt, they're gonna be dark and black outside, right? And you just remove those burnt skins, and then inside that you're gonna be left with something that's very sweet and, you know, naturally sweet and juicy. So we eat that, you know, cooked leek with Romesco sauce. So why don't we get started with this? And if you like it, please click on like and subscribe for more information, and also leave a comment below. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to actually burn the pepper, you know, any type of peppers, but red preferably, on a hot fire, on a direct fire that is. But then we don't have direct fire today, so we're just gonna do it on a pan. That still works as long as you get it burnt. You hear them pop, right? That's a good sign. It means the water is being evaporated. So while these are being cooked and burnt, we're gonna cut some almonds. Because it's a little slow on a pan, we're gonna use some torch. But if you don't have a torch, then just do it this way. And, you know, if you have time, just take your time, relax, and flip it as often as you want it. That looks about done, so we're gonna remove it from the pan. Remove seeds. So in the same pan, add some olive oil and roast your tomatoes and garlic.